Welcome, students of class 7. Today's topic is sums of exercise 12.1 and 12.2, but not all sums. I do few sums, and remaining sums are the homework. And I, Haru sir, and today's date 24th April, and time is 12 noon. Good afternoon, everyone. So we start the discuss. First, we remember the algebraic formulae. Formula number 1. This is the first formula. First formula is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Remember it. Very useful formula. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here is plus sign, this is a plus sign. Here this is a minus sign and this is minus sign. Third formula, very useful formula, a square minus b square. The square of two difference is equals to a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth formula, 2 into a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Fifth formula, 4ab equals to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. And sixth formula, ab equals to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. And last formula, this is formula number 7, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Remember this formula and copy in your maths copy. Very useful formula in algebra. So we remember the formula. The first sum of exercise 12.1, page number 156, 9.4. Express as a perfect square and then find the value of this expression. Expression is p square q square plus 10pqr plus 25q square. First we express this as a perfect square. Then putting the value of p, q and r, then find the value of this expression. So first we express this as a perfect square. So now we start from given expression p square q square plus 10pqr plus 25r square. This is equals to p square q square means pq whole square plus 10pqr. 10pqr is expressed 2 into pqr into 5 pq into 5r. 5 to the 10 pqr. This is also 10 pqr plus 25r square is 5r whole square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b whole square. The pq plus 5r whole square, which is a perfect square. This is a whole square, which is a perfect square. Now we put in the value of p, q, and r. Value of p is 2 and value of q is minus 1 and value of r is 3. 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 3 whole square. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 5 into 3 is 15. Minus 2 plus 15 whole square. Minus 2 plus 15 is 13. 13 square equals to 169. Therefore required value is 169. So we go next sum. Number 10, using the formula, find the value of 10 to 8xy into x square plus y square when x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. Using the formula 8xy into x square plus y square. So now 8xy into x square plus y square equals to 8xy Write 4xy into 2, 4xy into 2 into x square plus y square. We know that formula of 4xy, x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square, and formula of 2 into x square plus y square, now x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. Now I'm putting the value of x plus y is 5 and x minus y is 1. So 5 square minus 1 square into x plus y whole square, this is 5 square plus x minus y is 1 square. So 5 square minus 1 square, 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1, this is 25 minus 1. And 5 square plus 1 square, 5 square is 25 and 1 square is 1. 25 minus 1 is 24 and 25 plus 1 is 26. 24 into 26. Now multiply 24 by 26. This is 624. This is equal to 624. Therefore, required value is 624. Next sum. The next sum 10 2. Using the formula, find the value of x square plus y square plus 2xy when x plus y equals to 9 and x minus y equals to 5. So we do the sums. X given expression is x square plus y square divided by 2xy. Now numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. Numerator is multiplied by 2 and denominator is multiplied by 2. So 2 into x square plus y square and 2 into 2xy. 2 into x square plus y square, 2 into 2 is 4xy. And numerator, formula of numerator is 2 into x square plus y square equals to x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. And 4xy is formula of 4xy, x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Now putting the formula of x plus y whole square, x plus y and putting the value of x plus y and x minus y. Value of x plus y is 9 and value of x minus y is 1. 9 square plus 1 square, 9 square minus 1 square. 9 square is 81, 1 square is 1, 81 plus 1 and 81 minus 1. This is equals to 81 plus 1 is 82 and 81 minus 1 is 80. 82 by 82 and this is simplified the fraction 41 by 40. Therefore, the required value is 41 by 40. Next, using the formulae, express same exercise 12.1 and problem number 10.5 and 10.7. There are two sums. Express 44 as a difference of 2 square. And number 7, express, sorry, the question is mistake, express not 44, this is x as a difference of 2 square. So the corrected problem is express x as a difference of 2 squares. First we do first problem, express 44 as a difference of 2 square. 44, we write 44 equals to 11 into 4. Now we apply the formula AB. A is 11 and B is 4. Formula of AB, A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. 11 plus 4 divided by 2 whole square minus 11 minus 4 by 2 whole square. 11 plus 4 is 15. This is 15 by 2 whole square minus 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 by 2 whole square, which is a difference of 2 squares. And 10.7, express x as a difference of 2 square. We write x equals to x into 1. We using the formula of AB, x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is a difference of 2 square. Exercise 12.2. 416. Using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equals to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Find the product of a squared plus 5 into x squared minus 4. Using this identity, find the product of this a squared plus 5 into x squared minus 4. Now, a square plus 5 into a square minus 4. Let a square equals to 5. So this is p plus 5 and putting the value of a square is p plus 5 into p minus 4. P plus 5 into p plus minus 4. Now using the identity x plus a into x plus b, x square plus sum of these two terms into x plus product of two terms. So p square plus 5 plus minus 4 into p plus 5 into minus 4. P square 5 plus a minus 5 minus 4 into p and 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. The p square plus 5 minus 4 is 1p minus 20. And now putting the value of p equal to a square whole square plus a square minus 20. This is a to the power 4 plus a square minus 20. This is the answer. Next problem is 2. Using formula so that a plus 2b whole square plus a minus 2b whole square is equals to 2 into a square plus 4b square. 2. Now left hand side so that from start left hand side, the left hand side is a plus 2b whole square plus a minus 2b whole square. A plus 2b whole square plus a minus 2b whole square. Now the formula of a plus 2b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square plus a square 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square. A square 2 to the 4ab plus 4b square plus a square 2 to the minus 2 to the 4 minus 4ab plus 4b square. Now we open the second bracket, a square and plus minus 4ab is cancelled. A square plus 4ab plus 4b square plus a square minus 4ab plus 4b square plus minus 4ab is cancelled. A square plus a square is 2a square. 4b square plus 4b square is 8b square. And now we common 2 into a square plus 4b square. This is the right hand side. This is equals to right hand side. Proved. Next problem. 12.225. Using formula so that 3m plus 4n whole square is equals to 3m minus 4n whole square plus 48 mn. Now we start from LHS. Left hand side is 3m plus 4n whole square. 3m plus 4n whole square, a plus b whole square, 3m whole square plus 2 into 3m into 4m plus 4n whole square. 3m whole square, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 24 mn plus 4n whole square. 3m whole square minus 24 mn. Now this is plus 24 mn. We write minus 24 mn. So adding 48 mn plus 48 mn minus 24 mn. This is equal to 24 mn. So we write here we write minus 24 mn. So here we write 48 plus 48 mn plus 4n whole square. This is equal to 3m whole square minus 40 mn equals to write 2 into 3m into 4n plus 4n whole square plus 48mn. First three terms, we have a formula 3m minus 4n whole square a minus b whole square 3m minus 4n whole square plus 48mn. This is equal to right hand side. So this is equal to right hand side 2. So we go next problem. 2-8. Using formula so that 2a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 8. To 8. Left hand side is 2a plus 1 by a whole square. This is equals to formula of a plus b whole square, a square 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square. 2a whole square, a cancel and 2 to the 4 plus 1 by a whole square. 2a whole square, we write minus 4 and plus 8, minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. So here we write minus 4, then we write plus 8. 2a whole square minus 4 plus 1 by a whole square plus 8. 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a, 4 equal to right 2 into 2a into 1 by a cancel 2 to the 4 plus 1 by a whole square plus 8. First three terms, we have a formula 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 8. This is the right hand side, this is the right hand side. Proved left hand side equals to right hand side. So our next problem 3-2. Using formula if a square plus b square equals to 52 and a minus b equals to 2, then find the value of AB. Given a square plus b square equals to 52 and a minus b equals to 2, then find the value of AB. Given that a minus b equals to 2, now squaring both sides. A minus b whole square equals to 2 whole square. Now a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 4, or a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to 4. Now putting the value of a square plus b square. A square plus b square is 52. So 52 minus 2ab equals to 4, or 52 minus 4 in the right hand side 4. 4 goes to left hand side and plus signs change to minus signs. 52 minus 4 equals to, and minus 2ab goes to right hand side, this is plus 2ab, or 2ab equals to 52 minus 4 is 48, or ab equals to 48 by 2 is 24. So therefore value of ab is 24. Find the value of ab, therefore value of ab is 24. Next problem 3-4. Using formula if a plus 1 by a equals to 4, then find the value of a square plus 1 by b square. Now given a plus 1 by a equals to 4, then find the value of a square plus 1 by b square. Given that a plus 1 by a equals to 4, or now squaring both sides, a plus 1 by a whole square equals to 4 square. A plus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 2a into 1 by a into 1 by a whole square equals to 4 square is 16. A square a cancel, plus 2 plus 1 by a square equal to 16, or a square plus 1 by a square equals to 16 plus 2 change to right hand side, 16 minus 2. A square plus 1 by a square equals to 14. Therefore value of a square plus 1 by a square is 14, and the value of a square plus 1 by b square, sorry, the question is mistake. The correct question is a square plus 1 by square. So therefore value of a square plus 1 by square is 14. Next problem. If 39, if x square plus y square equals to 4xy, then prove that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to 14x square y square. Now given that x square plus y square equals to 4xy. Now squaring both sides, x square plus y square whole square equals to 4xy whole square. Now x square plus y square whole square is x square whole square plus 2 x square y square plus y square whole square equals to 16 x square y square. Now x square whole square is x to the power 4 plus y square whole square is y to the power 4 plus 16x square y square and plus 2x square minus y square is left hand side and this term goes to right hand side is minus 2x square y square. Therefore x to the or x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to 14x square y square. So therefore x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equals to 14 x square y square. Proof. Prove this. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is 14 x square y square. Next problem. If 2x minus 1 by x equals to 4, 2x minus 1 by x equals to 4, then find the value of x square plus 1 by 4x square. Given that 2x minus 1 by x equals to 4, now common 2 from the left hand side. 2 is common, x minus 1 by 2x equals to 4 or x minus 1 by 2x is equals to 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. Next, the squaring both sides. X minus 1 by 2x whole square is equal to 2 square or x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square equals to 4. 2 2 cancel and x cancel or x square plus 1 by 4 x square equals to 4 and minus 1 in left hand side, this goes to right hand side is plus 1, so 4 plus 1 or x square plus 1 by 4 x square equals to 5. So therefore value of x square plus 1 by 4 x square is 5. The value of x square plus 1 by 4 x square is 5. This is the answer. Next, 3xiv. If a square plus b square equals to 5ab, then so that a square by b square plus b square by a square equals to 23. This is given so that this. Given that a square plus b square equals to 5ab, a square plus b square equals to 5ab or a square plus b square whole square, squaring both sides, a square plus b square whole square equals to 5ab whole square. So now a square plus b square whole square, a square whole square plus 2 a square b square plus b square whole square equals to 5ab whole square is 25 a square b square. A square whole square is a to the power 4 plus b square whole square is b to the power 4, 25 a square b square and plus 2 a square b square goes to right hand side is minus 2 a square b square or a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equals to 23 a square b square. Now the both sides is divided by a square b square. We are assuming a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. or a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 divided by a square b square equals to 23, or split a to the power 4 divided by a square b square plus b to the power 4 divided by a square b square equals to 23, or a square by b square plus b square by a square equals to 23, so that this equals to 23. Therefore a square plus b square plus b square by a square is equals to 23. Proved. Next problem, SVI. This is the last problem today from 12.2 exercise, and remaining sums of 12.1 and 12.2 all are homework. If m minus 1 by m minus 2 equal to 6, then find the value of m minus 2 whole square plus 1 by m minus 2 whole square. Given that m minus 1 upon m minus 2 equal to 6. Now this is m minus 2. We are trying m change to m minus 2. So here is minus 2. This is 6 minus 2. If this is right minus 2, and this is also right minus 2. So this is the next line. M minus 2 minus m minus 2 minus 1 upon m minus 2 equal to 6 minus 2, or m minus 2 minus 1 upon m minus 2 is equals to 6 minus 2 is 4. Now squaring both sides. M minus 2 minus 1 by m minus 2 whole square equals to 4 square. Now the formula of a minus b whole square, m minus 2 whole square minus 2 into m minus 2 into 1 by m minus 2 plus 1 by m minus 2 whole square equals to 4 square is 16. Now m minus 2 whole square plus 1 upon m minus 2 whole square is equals to m minus 2 cancel, and minus 2 goes to right hand side is plus 2, 16 plus 2, or m minus 2 whole square plus 1 upon m minus 2 whole square equals to 18. So therefore value of m minus 2 whole square plus 1 upon m minus 2 whole square is 18. So thank you.